This is a review of the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner. It's kind of meant for smaller jobs, not really, it's not as big as some of the other carpet cleaners or steam cleaners out there, but it's really nimble, it really does the job. I really like it. If you're looking to purchase it, there's a link in the description below through Amazon, but I'll go ahead and show you how it works and what it can do. All right, I'm just going to do a quick description of the parts and how it works. You got your upper reservoir, clean water and solution up here, up top. You got your dirty reservoir down below. Of course, the brush, and this part comes off for easy clean. I'll show you how to do that later. Trigger up here, and then the on-off button down here, and of course your what's it called? Anyway, the little step thing you put on there to help it lean back. Okay, to fill up the reservoir, it's real easy to do. First, just pull up, and it comes right out. To put it back in, just slide it right back onto this guide right here, right until it clicks. But go ahead and take that out, and we'll get this filled up. Okay, filling up is easy to do. Just fill up to the markers, got the water, formula, and if you got an antibacterial formula. If you have one of the Bissell containers that fits this adapter, then you know you have to take the lid off after you fill it up with water. We actually use vinegar solution, so I'm just gonna fill up to water and then vinegar up to the formula mark. All right, we got our upper container filled up, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're plugged in, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, power button down below. Turn it on. Bring it back. And go forward. All right, I got done with this room. That tank lasted for a space that's approximately 20 feet by 8 feet is what I cleaned, and that tank lasted throughout. Of course, here's our reservoir with dirty water. I did go a little bit slow, I went a little bit fast, so that's actually probably why there probably would be a little bit more water had I gone a little bit slower. But as you can see, it got a lot of good dirty water out of there. So to get this out, you take these tabs, one on each side, lift them up, take the reservoir out, and then again you can clean this part by simply taking it out, and then you can clean this as well. And of course the bottom, you just have to, no good way of doing that, just kind of using your fingers to get all this fur out with when you got the pets. So but let me show you what I really love about this is cleaning up the tank. All right, so what I really love about this is that because the tank is smaller, I can dump this out in my small bathroom sink. We don't have a laundry sink or anything like that. We used to have a bigger steam cleaner, and that one was too big for like a bathroom sink, so I had to take it to our bathtub and clean it out there, which just took a lot of work. Didn't really like all that dirty water in the bathtub either. So this is much easier. So we just take this little tab right there, open it up, dump out the dirty water, and then rinse it out a little bit here. Then underneath, set this down for a second. We just take this, open it up, and then you're going to take this out and clean it out. So we'll just go ahead and then rinse everything off and put it back together. Okay, I got that lower container cleaned and put back together, and just rinse this piece off as well. So just put that right back into place, and then just simply put that lower, get things lined up here, get that lower container back in, and then just simply snap it back into place, and then we are good to go. Thank you for watching, and again, if you're interested in purchasing this, just go ahead, there's a link in the description box. Thank you for watching.